Boola, everyone! Hey, it's Baron Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we are in Denarau today. That's right, you can see the sign. There is the port and all of the shopping that we have. It's on the weekend here, so really quiet. Here's the big car park area, and then all of the marine businesses are over here. Other restaurants, nice wine bar here, Victoria Wines, and some executive offices here. And what I have for you here today is A+ commercial rental property right next to the passenger terminal. And when borders reopen and tourism comes back, this is going to be molten lava hot. They even have these open windows on both sides. You have a corner here, and you can see straight through here. I'm going to walk through right to the water, all the ships departing, inter-island boat transfers, sunset cruises, fishing charters, and all the boats going out doing that world-class pelagic fishing, out to do some surfing at Cloud Break, out to Malolo Island, and a $3 bar, Musket Cove, very, very famous for boaties and yachties. So this space is available for rent, and this is epic A+ location in the crown jewel heart of Fiji. So if you want to get the exposure, now is the time. Give us a call, +679-999-2051, or go to professionalsfiji.com to learn all about this and all of our listings. You can see here, you know, a little kitchen area for the staff, some extra storage room. Here you have some finger scanning device, so for added security to get into the back offices. Beautiful custom-made rain tree. Now all of this can either be kept here, or you can obviously keep it empty and come in here and rehab it and do all the tenants improvements to your liking. So this was previously a tourism center, but now it could continue like this, or you can come in with your own business, your own ideas. But the foot traffic here and all of the people coming back to Fiji, they're going to walk right past this office. And you can see there's a window there for the private executive office. I'm going to walk you back outside, and I'm going to show you how close everything is. So here is the terminal area where everybody comes in and books their tickets. The Malolo Captain Cook Cruises, extremely popular. And then South Sea Cruises has a number of businesses. So these two, I mean, thousands and thousands of people will come through here. And again, let me just swing it back around. So this is the passenger terminal. Lulu Bar, awesome breakfast burritos, great place for coffee while you're waiting for your boats. And more retail here. And then these are all the ships that will go out and take you to all the outer islands here in Fiji. This is where everybody is coming back to Fiji, is going to be going here. This place is normally jam-packed. Live music everywhere. So you can see their Cantina Mexican restaurant, Cardo's, very famous place here. You have all the beautiful mountain views that goes directly out to Nandi Bay right there. So as you can see, it's the weekend, a little quiet, but when you get back here, this is going to be humming. And guess what? You can stop in right over here. You're going to recognize that. This is our main office of Professionals FIJI Real Estate right here. And we have a second office just down here as well. And I'll continue walking you around. And a little view again of the water. So lots of potential here. Big main area. They do a lot of shows here for the tourism, fire walking, and just, I mean, you'll have thousands of people packed in here. Yacht shop, all the great retail shopping here that you can do when you come to Fiji. Even if you're not looking for a commercial space and you're just curious, this is where the action is going to be coming back big time. And here is the space that we have available right next to this passenger terminal. And I'm gonna focus here so you can pause it. This is Port Denarau Marina, and this will give you a view of everything. You can freeze this on your computer and take a look as well. So there you have it. Incredible commercial space available. Port Denarau Marina, corner. I can give you all the map plans, everything on the size, the lease terms, very flexible right now, and you can set up your business right here in the heart of Fiji at Port Denarau. We hope you're having a beautiful day. We are so excited because things are going to be opening up soon. So you are going to be sitting here, right here, probably going to be going onto one of these ships out to all the incredible islands and doing that fishing, world-class scuba diving and snorkeling. Lots going to be happening. We are really excited. We hope you are too. And we will see you here very, very soon. Have a beautiful day. Vinaka.